Now it's summer and you're getting a good chance to taste the tomatoes that you planted this spring. Whether you planted a hybrid or whether you planted an heirloom, be thinking about if we're going to do it again next year. And if you want to do it next year and you want to save seeds, now's the time to think about it. Whether it's an heirloom, your heirlooms will come back true, and your hybrids you'll get a cross of the parent plants. If you want to start saving now, you want to bag your blooms to make sure they come back true. You can use a little cheesecloth bag to keep any other pollinators or pollen from moving from plant to plant, to make sure that the seeds that you save are actually going to come back true.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.